What's up? So, first thing, I blew a tire today on a way to change the tires because they were worn out, and I needed to get some fresh ones for our holiday trip. Got it fixed. Next thing, I'm arriving in my workshop. It rained pretty hard the last few days, so I was not expecting this to happen, but yeah, I came in, walked to the back. Next thing I notice is everything's underwater. I have no idea what's broken, what's damaged, what's rusted out maybe. I don't know, because I got some stuff back there. No bueno. No bueno big time, but it is what it is. I can't do much about that. I just gotta take a look at everything, inspect it, and take a few pictures. Yeah. And this week, at the start of the week, I got a car lift, 2-post. Finally, everything's gonna be much easier with that. I just gotta sort some stuff out. It's an old one, an old Soviet lift. I think it should work. Better than nothing. Yeah. Quick to the lift. There it is. What a beauty. It was a challenge to get it in. It was a challenge to get it out of the trailer. But everything worked well because it came like in one piece with a brace welded in between this thingy. Yeah, I'm waiting for the cable because this one is 10 centimeters too short for back there, for where the connection is. But I got it already anchored in. That should be good because our ground level is a little bit sketchy over here, but this should work pretty well. So here it is. Nice. Next thing I noticed was, as I got back here, because in entrance there's a whole puddle of water. Here also. This thing wasn't wet at first. That's a second car harness for the S13 I got laying around, and as you can see, this shit is trashed. I hope everything in there is kinda okay. Crossing my fingers. Back here we got some stuff like brakes and other things. I hope those are not trashed. Back here we got some exhausts and some other stuff. I gotta take a look at that and see how much water was over here, because it is everything is wet back there, like everything, and there are around 2 to 3 centimeters of water, so no bueno, sadly. But hey, it is what it is, I guess. Now I'm gonna start taking all this stuff in front of here so I can take a look what's broken, what's damaged, and everything. It sucks. It sucks big time, because in the old shop I had the same problem with water getting in and starting to rot and smelling bad, and I thought, hey, I think here it won't be a problem anymore, but it still is. So whatever. First I'm gonna take a beer because I'm thirsty. Perfect. Cheers. So that's it for today, I guess. Moved some stuff over here because it's kind of wet, fucked up. I hope everything's still pretty okay with that. The boxes, thankfully, there did not get water in below, so I'm happy about that. But as it looks like over here, pretty damn fucked up. Wait, let me show you if I can catch that. It's pretty deep, to be honest. I got a plan, I got a solution. I'm gonna get some metal sheets and put them across the line of my room over there and over here and seal it up, and hopefully that will solve the problem, or for now. Let's hope for the best. So what we got going on over here? Loaded the wheels up for Mark. Ready to go. And freshly cleaned. They look good. Shop's closed. Nice. Let's get home. Automatic because daily. Way more comfortable than shifting through gears the whole time. We need to fill up some gas because tomorrow we're gonna drive a few miles, kilometers, whatever. And look at this. Look at my lovely thing. Got the stickers going on. Wrapping Jimmy O. Some option stickers and stuff. I'm gonna tag the boy that sells these because he is fucking awesome. Yeah. Love my Lexus. I mean, obviously it's not an Aristo, not a real Toyota. It's a Lexus 2J GE engine, still RHD driven. A friend of mine imported it back in, I think, 2011. Yeah, like 10 years ago. Had a front crash. Someone bumped into me with the... We got it fixed. New wrap, cleaned up, no plate holders anymore, those ugly plastic thingies. Yeah, looks way better. Hold on. Well, how much we're going on? Alright, it's okay. Perfect. Fuck. Fucking gas prices in Switzerland are ridiculous. Thanks God I can get some gas at my workplace. So I'm happy about that for sure. Otherwise I'm gonna be broker than I am now. Perfect. I'm gonna do this. 312 miles full tank. Okay. Pretty cool. Not gonna lie. So ready for takeoff.